Mix the shrimp with salt, black pepper powder, and garlic powder and let it marinate in the refrigerator for 1 hour. For the sauce, mix mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, and ketchup together and refrigerate. In a bowl, mix flour and cornstarch. Massage the marinated shrimp in this mixture until coated, then shake off excess flour. Fry the shrimp in hot oil until golden brown on both sides, about 3 minutes per side. Pour the prepared sauce over the hot shrimp. Garnish with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. Serve in a serving dish. Enjoy!